I'm glad that I invited you to the party. Oh no. Okay. Was I recording? Oh no. Okay, everyone, we're having a party. Got my own motorbike. Looney, I'm actually supposed to be the main character. Oh, really? Say whatever. Okay, Looney, I'm glad you invited all of us to the party.
And then I be Looney? Yeah. You're welcome, because this is gonna be a great party.
And
no one's totally gonna die.
Yes, no one's gonna die at all.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Looney. Did you zone out, Looney?
Zone out. Zone. Yeah, he's zoning out. He's zoning out. Well, can I turn on the light real quick?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. So I was gonna put this in my bag.
Okay.
Whoa, we
Looney,
I didn't care.
you were zoned out.
Why isn't he so much? Something. Do I even have enough
Yeah.
megabytes? Do I have enough megabytes? Yeah, I have 1 gigabyte.
Did you know my parents actually were planning to name me
To name you what?
To name me Hex? No, I didn't know that.
Hex sounds like a good name.
But instead they named me Default Boy. Sadness. Oh, I can make myself Hex.
Hex? Hey, can you name yourself Hex? Wait, hold on.
Bro!
Hold on.
Bro!
Come on.
So, Default Boy. Oh, I still look hexy. 2077 Cyberpunk. Okay. No one's gonna get killed.
That's a really weird name.
Falls on ground. Right in front of everyone. Whoa! What happened?
Did he just barf?
I don't know.
Did Gotcha DJ just barf?
Oh,
Because
I feel so sick. Really, man? Yeah. Maybe he's sick by me. Or sick by me. Cyberpunk 2077. No one really knows.
Did Gotcha DJ just barf?
At least I'm stealing that Hex bike. Cyberpunk 2077. Oh, just take me to the hospital, please. All right. Well, we decided to go on a plane trip. Then Cyberpunk 2077. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. How come whenever you end a sentence, it goes in Cyberpunk 2077? Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. I don't know. Let me stand up fully in the air. There. Now, everyone get in their seats. I'm sitting right next to Default Boy because he's epic. Sit next to me. No, I'm not sitting next to you, Default Girl. Okay. Cyberpunk 2077. All right. I'm sitting next to Default Boy. Motorbike. Okay, Uni. Oh, you're so precious. Okay, Looney, where are you gonna sit? Right here, I guess. Okay. And where are you gonna sit, Default Girl? Right in the back seat. And where are you gonna sit, little girl, Lado? Okay, I'm sitting next to my mommy. Okay. The trip is here. The trip is here. We're going. Wait, where are we going? Probably to Paris. Oh, I've always wanted to go there. Cyberpunk 2077. Why when you always end a sentence, it ends in Cyberpunk 2077? Oh, because I'm actually from Cyberpunk 2077. Oh, that explains it.
Your videos are so weird, but I love it.
Okay. 1 hour later. 1 hour later. I thought we were going to Paris. No, it's a more beautiful place. Oh, I love it. Cyberpunk 2077. Okay. So, guys, what you want to do? Oh, I don't know. Hey. Where's Lado? Lado. She's not your daughter. Come on. Sure, I wish I had a daughter. Okay, Lado, you come with me. No, I like this motorbike. Okay, who cares? Okay. 2 days later. Okay, it's time to go back. 1 hour later. 5 days later. We're back in Las Vegas, Nevada. Oh, yay. Cyberpunk 2077. Okay. Default Boy. Yeah. I got my doggo with me. So, what does everyone want to do? I don't know. Have a good pose. How about that? Yeah, sure. Okay. Default Girl can go right there. And Ashton. Oh, no. Me will go right here. And that's it. Bye-bye, everyone. Actually, I want to make this video 10 minutes. So, okay, Default Girl. Hey, Default Boy. Yeah? What do you want to do? I don't know. Cyberpunk 2077. Okay.
It says my pepperoni pizza. Because L-Chip likes pepperoni pizza. It's a Taco Bell.
I'm surprised the girls are still awake.
Yeah, it's like 11.
Okay, the video will end in like 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.